It's quite amazing to be able to come to Israel and to be able to bring my whole team. It's something that I haven't seen done before, at least not for a cycling team. I think it's going to be very exciting.
Getting into this team was a really big dream for me. I think Bjorn is able to create something very special.
I want to do something good for people, and bringing in my team in this project to do something good for some other people.
I'm so excited that you came and to show how beautiful our Galilee is.
This school, this cycling school, hopefully will be the first place that will bring Muslim kids, Christian kids and Jewish kids in a place that they will learn how to do things together.
When you come and see the place the first time, you know, it's like a ruin, and then tomorrow when it's finished, it's going to be built and nice, clean. It's quite amazing.
We're very happy to be here and putting our muscle into something that really counts.
Just to see the kids, it will be experience something that they wouldn't normally experience. It will be exciting. Yeah.
I really believe in this sport as a tool to make a better society. I know what it did for me. And how much it changed me. I hope it will be the same for them.
They will become friends later on.
This is something that is needed for making a better future and better society.
What we're doing today is part of what we believe is a recipe for success, and that's good teamwork.
If you don't work together, you don't get it done, simply.
I think we have 18 different nationalities, and the sport brought us together.
It's not enough just to say that you're a team. No, you have to show it also, and this is what we do here.
Quite amazing to see with so many people how much we can actually achieve together in one day.
Everyone are giving out of themselves. Everyone, I mean, mechanics, massagists, riders of course, the team managers.
You know, we're here for a really exciting training camp, and to be involved with what we are doing today, you know, for the children and so forth, it's an honour and a pleasure to do it.
We are going to launch the project, the cycling school. So we are bringing almost 100 kids, half Muslim and half Jewish.
Well, they just arrived, and it's going to be interesting to see how they react, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
This is the first time we've actually created something, which we're all very happy about.
we finished late last night, so we did not get so much sleep. But no, I'm very excited. It's a beautiful place we have built here.
There's no better way for people to get along, to talk to each other, to get to know each other, to care about each other, than doing things together.
Probably we can get champions, but this is not the goal. The goal is to make them better for the society.
It's amazing what happened here. And everything happened here is because of love, which represents the truth that the people have in the heart of the team, of Bian.
No, it was great team building, and they worked hard to finish this. So no, I'm proud of them.
That's teamwork. It's really teamwork, and in the most beautiful way I have ever seen. I got the chance and the possibility, and we did it.